Hello, dear friends. I will tell you the story of the song A Moth Rises from the First Night to the Night. In Malatya, a young man named Mail loves and wants an Aga daughter named Gülizar. Unfortunately, Gülizar's family does not approve of this love. Time passes and these two young people, who love each other very much, escape and marry together. Thereupon, Gülizar's family does not want to see their daughter again. Mail and Gülizar live happily together after their marriage. Gülizar loves Mail very much. Therefore, he always wants to be together. However, Mail has an indispensable hunting curiosity. He leaves his house, Gülizar, and goes out hunting in the mountains. Another day, Mail goes hunting with her friends. After the hunt, they cannot see their friend Mail, who comes to the agreed gathering place. They think they are going home and return to the village. In the village, they ask Gülizar about Mail, but Mail did not come home. Upon this, their worried friends go out to search for Mail. His friends find Mail dead under a tree. They inform Gülizar. When Gülizar comes near Mail, she sees her under the tree as if she were sleeping. When he realizes that he is dead, his world falls on his head. Gülizar cannot stand and she laments there. A moon rises from the first night to the night. What to do? What to do? Hits the light through the window chimney. The mountains are winter. My passenger is cold. How can I do? How can I do?